Ever wanted to paint your ball inside of Roblox Studio? Well, this video is for you because today we're going to be making your very own custom spray paint system in just about 5 minutes. You are going to have this whole system to your name, and it supports any type of decals. You can delete any type of paint, heck, even hide some of the layers, change the paint size, and yeah, pretty rad, huh? So let's get to work. Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do is make sure you click the link from the description down below. Once you do that, you're basically just going to have to press the get model, and if you did everything right, it should show up right here into your toolbox, into your inventory, which is right here for the older GUI. Alright, I'm just going to insert it to the workspace. Most of you are probably familiar with how you can do it, and I'm just going to ungroup this model real quickly. Did I just say click? No, quick, come on, man. Screw the fuck up, soldier. Place this spray paint event instead of the replicated storage. The server script service is pretty explanatory. Just ungroup the scripts right here. I'm just going to ungroup the tools real quick, and you can place them inside of the starter pack or keep one or two inside of the workspace. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to disable the screen GUI because whenever you equip a tool it enables it, so it's way more of an overkill to just see the GUI without having any of the tools equipped. And I'm just going to hit play. Let me close all of these windows real quick. Damn, this is just sad. Anyway, yeah, I just forgot to mention one thing. The first time you're basically going to have the spray paint or the sponge, this color picker model right here is going to appear, and that's a site overview of me, but it should not really affect, so I'm just gonna set the transparency to something like 59, and as you can see, it fully works. You have your own spray paint system. You can play around with the shapes, maybe go with some circle shape, the triangle too. Oh, and you have multiple layers. I don't really know if it works that well on the balls, because most of them usually overlap. Yeah, do you see this? But it works, because if this would have been to be a ball, it would have worked nonetheless. So it does in fact work, and I'm just going to delete a 5th layer, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it works. Come on, let me just set the maximum layer, which is 3 right here. And let's get rid of all of this paint from my ball, man. You know, every man should take care of his balls. I'm telling you, guys. Perfect. And maybe you guys are wondering, how do you change the decals? Well, I'm just going to show you real quick. The first thing you want to do is go to the decals right here. This thing is just going to take about 30 seconds, just so you know. So open the spray paint GUI, and now this is very important. Go to the shape GUI background, which is basically the GUI you saw me earlier. Go to the current shape. No, it's not this. Alright, so it's the circle, the square, and the triangle. And I'm just gonna replace the triangle with another image. Oh, and just so you know, it works with any type of decals, meaning you guys can just paint with, I do not know, let's see, with the, what? The link cat? Yeah, I'm just gonna paint with link cat. Link cat is the best meme, I'm telling you guys. Like, this is what Pablo Picasso would just... Did I just say Pablo Picasso? I don't even care, man. It's 5 AM from where I am. Like, I'm just tired. I just wanna get rid of this. So I'm just gonna hit play, and let's see, do we have the cat? Of course we have the cat, and we can paint with it. We can make it green, we can make it blue. Infinite possibilities, just as Roblox intended. So I'm just gonna hit layer 10 and see what happens, because I never tested this on a ball. Damn. You see this? Some abstract art. I'm telling you, we're all artists, man. And let me just grab this sponge and get rid of some of these cats real quick. Yeah, it is working properly. Alright, so I kinda forgot to show you guys what happens when multiple players use this system at once, but don't worry, things are just going to work perfectly fine. Yeah, the thing is they get laggy, and that's because my PC became self-server, and they get laggy because you guys should modify something inside of the script, which is the rate at which we are currently painting, and it's also because my PC is just it's both a server and a client at the same time, and yeah, there are some well-known performance issues. But as you can see, the spray paint doesn't apply to the person. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, but this whole system could not be done without help from Viper Dan. He created this color picker, I created the spray paint system itself. So with Viper Dan, if you see this, thank you for your system, mate. You saved me for like 10 hours of sheer hell. Yeah. So I'm just gonna to hop inside of this place and you can paint over the paint. Oh, and just so you know,